You guys ready for this? What are we doing today?
Skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes, huh? You ready? You ready? You ready? Whose idea was this? So it's your fault if this goes wrong. If we don't make it to your next birthdays, any last words, final comments, or confessions?
It's been a good one.
It's always the same for me. Take the computer, the tablet, the phone, burn it all, bury it in the desert. The wife can have the rest of it. Let's go rock and skydive. Have some fun. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh yeah!
Alright guys, here's our ride.
You ready for it?
I'm ready.
Get in, get up. Yeah! Here we go.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah! Thank you. Good job.
Thank you.